Hey, this is what I think it is. I'm finna be. What is this? Hey, hold on, man. Hold on, I gotta shut the alarm off. Back to what I was saying. If this is what I think it is, was I seen that. I thought it was a camera for Haven, but it said my name on it. Man.
Disarmed, not ready to arm.
Gee. Alright, so back to what I was saying, man. Y'all can see what it is. You know what I'm saying? So, ooh, I'm super excited about this. I've been waiting on this for, a couple weeks probably. Y'all can see what it is. Y'all know that. Y'all know what that is. Man. Hey, I feel like a kid. I feel like a kid in a candy store. Babyliss, Dennis, man. I just want you to know, I ain't never gonna forget this, man. This one is together.
Do you need help? Hold up. You need help, sir? He's tripping over there with some knives and stuff.
Huh? So the box is open. Shit. I don't even want to look at this because I want to be surprised. You know what I'm saying? So, I'll start with this because it's easiest right here. Nice packaging, you know what I'm saying? Look at this. Look at the beautiful collar. Sheesh. Okay, they came together like that? Alright, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Got the matching custom Babyliss FX. And the reason I got green, army green like that is because for my Uncle Jeff, he's in the hospital, you know what I'm saying? He was fighting for his life with COVID and pneumonia. So I got this in honor of him because I know he's gonna pull through it. He's a warrior, a soldier, you know what I'm saying? So I know he's gonna pull through it, so you know what I'm saying? I got this in honor of him. And dang, green my favorite color also. These are beautiful. I can't wait to use these. I'm finna zero gap them, finna use them. My Uncle Jeff though, he can continue to use, some prayer if y'all want to. But he's doing a lot better. What else we got? Got the shaver, matching shaver to go with it. Honestly, I have the gold shaver, the original one, and it still works perfect for me. So when they threw that in there, they just did that extra. Okay. He threw in some, shout out to Duncan, man. I appreciate you, bro. Throw me some extra covers for the razor, an extra lid for the razor, I think. A case. Extra blade. I think that's it. So I'm gonna use these and I'm gonna give a review on them. Probably do a whole tutorial on them and then do a review after. So if y'all tapped into this unboxing, I appreciate y'all. All right, y'all, so I know that y'all see my clippers, but I'm gonna get more into the box just so y'all can see and know what comes in the box with the custom FX clippers. First of all, I wanna let you hear them run. It sound great, man. So I'm gonna tell you everything that come in the box. So what come in the box is a dip brush, some oil, a screwdriver to adjust it, and a cover, a case for the blade. Another screwdriver and the adjuster and the cover for the trimmer too. You got some guards, both chargers, and then your instruction manual book. With the shaver, I haven't even opened the shaver. I'm gonna just open it right now. Ooh, hold on. by Dante. Dante, I don't know who you are, but man, this is love, bro. I appreciate you. God bless you. Life and blessings to you, brother. Because, you know what I'm saying? It says, your custom FX made for Lake and Labby, created on 3/10/2022, made by Dante. So, Dante, man, shout out to you, bro. I appreciate you, man. God bless you. Okay, let's see what Dante did. Ooh. So, as you can see, we got two, you know what I'm saying? You got the charger up under it. You got a sleeve for it. Pull it out. It's like a matte finish. It feel real good. Sound good. You can tell it needs charge, but I can't wait to use this. Man, I'm gonna charge these all up and use them tomorrow for the first time. And I'll probably make my video tomorrow. Hopefully I got, you know, a client that I can use these on. So that pretty much wraps it up for this video as far as the unboxing and just telling y'all what's in the packages. Once again, Dennis, I truly appreciate you, man. And I'm sure we'll be working together more in the future. What is a late phase video without the word of God? Nothing. So let me go ahead and read y'all a verse of the day. Verse of the day is Psalms 139, verses 23 and 24. Search me, O God, and know my heart. Try me, know my anxieties, and see if there's any wicked way in me, and lead me in the way everlasting. Thank y'all for tuning into another video. I hope to see you back on the next one. May God bless.